Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. So today we discuss about that how we can generating traffic your website from Google. So I can go to simple example. I'm selecting for Ignagnis window. Searching will be SEO sizes in KPHB Hyderabad. So when people will be searching here, they can show my company YouTube channel video or they can show for my company website. So how we can show the my company website will be Google top position purpose. Google top position purpose. So they can go this number of websites are there. Look here. So we have to use this kind of options. But still here, they can't show my website will be Google search list. So that is mean by how we can reaching to the my audience to the my particular documentation to reaching the viewers purpose. In this purpose, we have site name called sites.google. In this website they can use will be two variants. First one, keyword building purpose. This will be same like a blogger website and a WordPress website, free WordPress and blogger. So most of this one they will be using only for keyword building purpose. So now we can click here services. Which service you can mostly will be follow here, select this option. Now in this we have the number of themes are there. The themes will be personal, work, small business, education. These are. I can selecting will be blank template. Just completely selecting for blank template. So here is copy, save image. I can say will be my particular documentation. Where exactly will be here. Screen this. First of all, here this will be particular title about your keyword. In this keyword will be typing here. You can writing for your company name also will compulsory mentioned by the title. So this is nothing but your SEO title, site name. So site name nothing required for this much is enough for up to here. Now you can go with the also option will be in this. Next, here we can add your image. Image will be in this upload image. Where exactly your image will be here, we can go to upload the image. After our image upload, we can give this complete option. How much your lang banner or your complete for cover image. This is give some title. No need you can use this title. You can remove this option. Everything is clear. If you want to add the text document, add the text here. Don't upload the complete content. So don't upload for the complete content. So you can go here, paste it. Get more details. Click here. We can give this. That is option name is called anchor text. The option name is called anchor text. Give me a link. Link will be given. Apply it. And click edit. So this will be link and click here. Everything is perfect. Next one, major option is called we can creating for pages. Pages purpose. We can new link and a new main location. New link will be click. They click for our services. The people read this complete content. So here what I'm doing for everything and directing for the connect with my which page into my website page. So I have to convert into traffic Google site to the my website. So that is the reason it is automatically we can convert into the my traffic into my website. How to convert? We can click for publish. SSR in Pragati Nagar. So we can give this option. So tick mark here. they will accepting extension will be up to 30 characters. It will be requesting public search engine not display my site. If you click this option, this will be not showing for search engine purpose, but I have to show will be search engine purpose. That is called I can increase my keyword building purpose. So when click for view, copy the URL, I can open for incognito window. Why I'm selecting incognito window, people know about your this purpose also. So in this, here is the option. Copy the URL. See this. Login is not required. We can show it to the particular content. People was click here, they go to your particular website. So I can build my keyword. What is my keyword will be? SEO services in Pragati Nagar. When I click for Control U, see this one. This is a title and this will be description. So proper description I can use here. So that is very impacting for in a particular, we can diverting traffic or website purpose. So that is called, it is generating for Google side will be two-way purpose. One is the key, when people will search will be keyword, they show Google purpose. Second will be your website backlink also, sites.google.com. Site is useful or not, it is compulsory useful when people will be searching this particular keyword. So simply you can go this. So how many people are there in this? Your website also will go into top. There is a all will be given option name is called only. There is a sites.google.com. I can show one more post. How you can post the will be here. Just to go to services, selecting, copy, save image. Next Google site. One post is done. There is option name is called back. So how many days this poster will expire? There is no time limit for poster will expire. If you want not required, we have option name is called remove also there. Open blank template. I give the steps one by one. First of all, untitled title will be here. This will be most of the affected by the your SEO title wise. So site name. Site name don't use this Hyderabad and everything. There is the SEO system. Right. This is the title not required. We can add your image. Next header size will be cover, text, copy, here you can click here, copy this option. So this is we have to discuss about SEO on page time. That is the anchor text. Here I am not showing for direct link. I am showing all option name is called get more details. Here will be. Click here. People will be click. And you can add your page purpose. Go to page. Add this option will be page will be created. But I'm creating for link. That is which website link is there. You can go this services here. And one more option is called you can add your contact us form also. Easily connecting for customer purpose. So why we can linking for your website link is called that mostly will give the link is majorly purpose of we can divert will be traffic will be my website purpose. There will be traffic will be diverting for my website purpose. So that is the major impact will be created by your particular website. Created by the particular website. So copy, selecting for incognito window. Set it here. There is no login well from Google, or a show customer will be like this. SSS in Nizamapet. Suppose here will be writing anything will be here. They will show the particular customer will be in this option. So here, publish, publish. Here is the option will be given. So what are the title will be here? You check for control U will be check the page source. What are the title? What are the everything we can know about the particular option will given by the particular website. So Google site same like Blogger, how we can getting free WordPress, same like Google site also there. You can selecting in the Google site free template and paid template. Anything will be possible on this particular option. You can go to the blank template and premium theme template. But it's total any theme will be free, not for the paid. So these all theme will be used and make a website will be any kind of will be keyword promotion purpose. If your restaurant app, restaurant will be promote, salon will be promote, photo portfolio, Christmas party, dog walker, class, club, and student portfolio. Anything will be created theme from the Google Sites option. So anything about Google site requirement or any still doubts, you can ask me to my channel. This Rakesh will definitely will be support you in this Google site option. Google site mainly in your website backlink will be keyword building purpose. So don't use a company name, which keyword you can promote in. Shoe stores in Hyderabad, shoe shops in Hyderabad. People will be searching different keywords based on business. And all business we can promote in with the option name is called Google site option. So don't forget, promote this content with your Google site, get your good traffic on your particular website. So content will be very less, everything will be written from your particular website. So always use a less content, and if anyone people click for more detail, they go to your particular website. So this policy we can compulsory follow by in your particular using Google site option. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.